The next step is to write a condition that checks if the player has reached the last checkpoint. Start by adding an if statement that checks if the index is equal to the length of the checkpoints array minus 1. So we would have to access the array first, which is the checkpoints. And then what checks if the index is equal. Oh, okay. So we would have to write index here first and use strict operator to check if it matches, and then calling in or accessing the array first, which is the checkpoints, and then interpolating the length minus 1. So this is a condition where if the index is equal to the length of the array checkpoints minus 1. That would be it. Nice.